Everyday English 4D. Exercise 2B, page 48.
Emergencies. Which service?
The fire brigade, please.
What number are you calling from?
012 53 862 473.
Please stay on the line.
Hello? Where is the fire?
There's a fire in the kitchen.
What's the address, please?
12 Fenton Crescent, off the High Street, Blackburn.
The fire and rescue service is on the way. Now get out of the house and close the doors behind you. Don't go back inside until a firefighter tells you it's safe.
Okay, I'm leaving now.
Exercise 5, page 48.
Oi, line, fly, point, boy, kite, boil, toy, buy.